Yeah, it's the...
It had been since the Bronze Age.
Card table bronze.
Number 3, the bronze medal.
There's a life-size bronze statue of you standing out there somewhere.
Whether you're tin or bronze. Which is very good.
I received a bronze star for valor, Miss
A
Sunhill.
fantastic example of Florentine bronze.
Bronze star in Korea.
Do you prefer a bronze casket?
Orange for me.
Well, okay, it's Tahitian bronze, and that works best on these
Thing built
lesions.
since the Bronze Age.
The bronze? Yeah, it's the plural of brawn.
We are a seagoing nation. It had been since the Bronze Age. The channel is...
Right there on a card table. Yeah, Fred Smith had that card table bronze.
I've been hearing that for 5 years.
In the history of Vegas. Number 3, the bronze medal. Pencilneck grabs a lockbox at the...
Hurry, don't forget that. There's a life-size bronze statue of you standing out there somewhere. Well, it's probably turned green by now.
Whether you're tin or bronze, that's how we keep you in.
See where that's gone, yeah. Then there's bronze, which is very good, unless something goes wrong. And something... If you want it.
I received a bronze star for valor, Miss Sunhill, for charging up a hill that I didn't particularly...
What?
How much does a new tuxedo cost?
A fantastic example of Florentine bronze. Now, who will start?
Gave me them scars. They got him the bronze star in Korea. Luke?
He wants to kill you, right?
You prefer a bronze casket?
Chandra, you don't think this is just a little too orange for me?
Well, okay, it's Tahitian bronze, and that works best on these lesions. Okay?
I think these urban centers, anything built since the Bronze Age, will be wiped away. The death...
The invincible in the field. Look at him. Sturdy and bronzed and clear-eyed. The kind of soldier...
Vietnam, Guatemala, Thailand, Philippines, Salvador, Silver Star, Bronze Star. Who is this guy, Sergeant Rock?
To hear such a paean to the
My mother had a bronze reduction of the Venus de Milo she wanted to give us for that space, but Newland was...
The silent organization.
1810. It's made of bronze from 1,200 cannon captured at Austerlitz. There's a statue of Napoleon.
A monument?
Well, probably nothing more than a simple bronze plaque. But the Free French have indicated they'd be willing to...
Carried them to safety. He was awarded the Bronze Star for his bravery. I imagine the best way can tell you...
Somebody's sorry for something.
It's a worthless bronze medallion, Marion. You gonna give it to me?
Maybe.
Murderer kid. American bronze medalist marathon bicyclist. Brains.
All of Venice is a museum. St. Mark's has the horses of Constantinople, their bronze statues.
Can I see that?
100 meters freestyle. I thought I was odds on for the bronze. The two Germans I was prepared for. Fucking...
If it counts like a gold member, a person could be silver, platinum, bronze, you know, depending on what they paid, you know.
Mediterranean, probably. It was around the beginning of the Bronze Age. So I followed the trade routes.
Early Victorian. Mechanical bronzes used to be quite a thing, you know.
Austria, of course, not as strong as they were 4 years ago when they put bronze.
Who the hell do you think you are? You're in that report recommending Missouri for a Bronze Star. He pulled you out of a VC tunnel.
But I love it even more. Everywhere is old gold, bronze, and copper.
See you there.
Yeah, if I'm in town.
I think I'm going to show one of the bronzes. It's an early piece I made when you used to sit on